Here is another one of these home edition videos for the roof design to try and help you figure out something that might work for you, or at least give you some type of inspiration maybe to design something better. So let's go ahead and take a look at the original structure. Looks something like this. I'm guessing a two-story house with a single-story pop-out, maybe a porch. And now let's take a look at my first idea. Be something like this. You'd have the roof coming over here for the addition, and have just kind of a funky looking roof here. I mean, don't get fixed on that all of these lines have to be straight and that the roof needs to plane into the other roof exactly. You can do something like this if it's going to work. And here we're just simply coming off of the ridge to this point here, the ridge, and then angling up and then angling here. You know, you could always plane this across, have that flat. So again, just throwing something out there. You could have the roof plane in here. So here we have the roof planing into the top, and then this wall here comes straight up, and then both sides of the roof will plane in to the other side here, leaving you with a valley. Now, the individual who's asking for this lives in the snow and really didn't want to have something like this if they could avoid it. So keep that in mind. If you are in the snow, you don't want to have areas that are going to trap the snow on the roof. Or if at all possible, you would like to avoid them. Another one here for those of you who wouldn't live in the snow, just simply bring it over to here and then put a roof drainage cricket in it. And I do have another video on that, and I'll try to put a link here. Not go to just type it into YouTube, roof drainage cricket, should pull up one of the videos. Now here's an idea that won't trap any snow. You would simply extend this section of the roof up. It might not look super hot, but again, might be functional. So again, another choice there. Example, something here where you would have a larger roof drainage cricket, and of course we change the direction of the roof here. Next one, we have two shapes like this. You're not going to have a problem with the snow like this, but you would have a large structure, no doubt about it. And of course I left the existing roof, what it would look like, and the areas that you would need to fill, of course. Except now the roof would be draining all this way, and this one here would be draining that way. Another idea here, again, we just rotated the room addition or the roof here. Put another kind of I don't want to say this is a roof drainage cricket in here. This is more of a valley and a ridge here, but again, snow could get trapped in this area and probably in this area too. In this example, we would be using 4 hips and then a ridge, and then this section of the roof would be flat. It would plane into the other roof, and of course this would be getting away from having a gable involved in the home edition. But again, you could always have a gable over here and then have another ridge coming off of here to the gable, something like that. In the next example, we will rotate the roof. So this one here, we're not going to have a gable in the front. We're going to change it. And I'm not suggesting you need to build it like this. You would build it like this. I just wanted to give you an idea of what the roof would look like, because you could always change the rotation of the roof and then put a drainage cricket in the back here also. But now for the bad news. This is usually going to create problems for your 2-story, second-story window. So this one right here won't always be the best idea here, but does provide you with another option. Again, something like this probably isn't going to be trapping snow. And of course, my last example, if you aren't worried about the snow, you could always build a deck here. And of course, the deck could always extend to the front of the building and cover the entire surface of this area. So that is it for the video and my examples. Let us know what you think. Leave comments in the comment area, questions in the comment area. I will answer as soon as possible, and I hope to help.